Good morning from MeloTel. Today I received an interesting call from one of our customers who wasn't aware of a particular feature that exists and is offered by MeloTel as part of your service. And, granted, we may not have communicated the feature as well as we could have. So I want to take an opportunity to share with all our active customers about a really awesome feature that's offered to you and every user of MeloTel that has an extension on our system. And it's free. That's really the greatest part about it. So the feature is known as Cloud Softphone. And what Cloud Softphone is a mobile application that runs on iOS and Android, available on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, that allow you to register your smartphone to the same extension that you have on your desk and use that extension to be able to make and receive calls just like you would as if you were sitting at your desk, but over Wi-Fi and LTE. So the huge advantage to this is you could basically take your extension with you wherever you go, allows you to be able to make calls on behalf of your company. If your calls are recorded, they're still stored in your same archive that you have on your system now. Great tool if you're traveling or away on business and still need to be able to make calls on behalf of the business and also receive calls. It's also good to cheat while you're on vacation connected to the resort Wi-Fi. Make calls back to Canada free. Part of the solution. The app is free. It's available to every single user of MeloTel, and I'm going to show you real quickly just how simple it really is to set up and also how to use it. So every extension on MeloTel has the availability of the service. If you need to receive your QR code to get your device set up, simply email support@melotel.com with the request, and we'll be happy to oblige. So what happens when you receive your request for a QR code is that you will receive this email here. Whoops, sorry. Let me just display that again. You're going to receive an email like you see here, which is the QR code for your specific extension on MeloTel platform. And with it will come the links to the Apple Store as well as the Google Play Store. You can just click on them in your application and you'll be able to download it. Alternatively, you can also search for it, and I'll show you how easy it is and what it looks like. So you can search for Cloud Softphone, and this is the application that you're going to see. Oh, let me make sure I got the right one. This is the application, what it looks like when it's ready to download. So we'll go ahead and download that. Now, maybe behave a little bit differently on the Android store. I have an iPhone. So it'll probably be a little different for you, but if you have an Android, I'm sure you know how to download your apps already. Now, when you're prompted on the screen here, it's asking you for a username and a password. Now, by default, we do not give those out to customers, but you'll notice that there's another option just below it there for scan QR code. Now, what happens when you select this scan QR code is it's going to open up your camera. Well, it's going to ask for permission first to get access to your camera. And it's going to be ready to scan a code that you present to it. Now, if you see on my computer screen here, I'm going to scroll up. Now we see in full view the QR code that we need to scan with the application. So as soon as I point my phone at this QR code, it's going to automatically take the registration and install the application with your MeloTel extension all ready to go. It does ask for confirmation to send you push notifications, so when the app is not closed, you can still receive calls. As well, it's going to ask for access to your contacts, and that's important if you want to be able to do speed dial using the application. Once the application is loaded, it looks just like your regular phone. You have your options for your history, any favorites that you set up, and also your contacts. It has the contacts in your device. So it works just like a regular phone. You can simply dial a telephone number and hit send, except in this scenario, we're using LTE or Wi-Fi to be able to make and receive these phone calls. So again, this is a free application that's included with every extension on MeloTel. Hopefully now we've communicated it well for you, and we hope that you enjoy the app. If you have any questions, want to know how to set it up, how to use it, and if you're just interested in this, you're not a MeloTel customer, you want to get signed up, please feel free to contact us. 1-888-MELOTEL or support@melotel.com. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for choosing MeloTel.